Okay guys, so welcome back on this 2021 Gv80 with a communication issue, and we saw some corrosion, and as I mentioned before, there was a complaint that the sunroof is leaking. So what I did was I just poured some water, or call that a garden hose, on top of our roof with sunroof closed, and I don't see any dripping underneath the vehicle, which is for the drain hose for the sunroof, right? So I left some water in this area here, right? And then as you can see on the other side, that's still full of water there because that's clogged. Same thing on our other side, or the back one. So what I did was I just blow some air on the hole there, because there should be 4 holes there on our sunroof system. I'm gonna pour some water. This is the front side right now, so I'm gonna pour some water there, and you can see here starting to drip here, right? Because that's gonna be from there going all the way on this panel here, a pillar. So I'm gonna blow some air and we can see more dripping there. As you can see there, that's like there's a restriction there because the air is not going straight. It's like there's a blockage there because it's coming back from the hole. Oops. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. As you can see there. So that's our cause for our corrosion there. So I don't know what will happen on this vehicle, because as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna call the harness for this one, and the main cause is this guy. And as you can see here too, our interior starts leaking water there. It's dropping there, right?